Hello everyone and welcome back to my Bit 3D. Today we're looking at clear blue Jayo resin. First from the box we have the bottle of resin, which is the first time I've had resin that wasn't in a round bottle. I suppose it's so it does not roll away. It was a real surprise to find a bag of filters in the box. I've never seen this before from any 3D printer resin I've used in the past, so that's a big thumbs up from me. The results speak for themselves. It picks up all the details of the prints, clear and solid walls with nothing misshaped or underprinting. Even the supports came out looking good. I chose 3 different models with different levels of detail and all came out looking great. As an added bonus, there is little to no odor from the resin. And it must be said, I do like a clear blue resin, and this one ticks all the boxes. The links to Jayo are down in the description. If you like what you've seen, please subscribe to my channel and press that like button. That's it for today, so I hope you join me again next time.